Hi guys, welcome to our channel of Daily Count classes. We are discussing around 2 to 3 questions on daily count basis. So today we are discussing a really good question which is coming from a MCAT 1819. So let's start with the first question. The question I say that if ABC are a positive real number such that log base 10 to the power A into my log base 10 to the power B plus log base 10 to the power AC into my log base 10 to the power BC is equal to 425, and ABC this is not 1065, it's 10 to the power 65. There needs some correction. So find the value of this expression, and your option is 24, 25, 15 and 13. So now pause your video here, try to put your own method before going to the video solution. So let's start with the solution. So before going to the question, you need some concept or a formula which is required to do this question. So the first concept is, if log base 10 to the power 10, this is always equal to 1. I think you know that term. And if log m to the power n is always equal to the n log n. And another property is, if log base 10 is ABC, then if the ABC in the multiply, then in this log they are going to be added. Log base 10A plus log base 10B plus log base 10C. And one more formula required for this question is algebraic formula. I hope you know that x plus y plus z the whole square is always equal to the x square plus y square plus z square plus my 2 into my xy plus yz plus zx. So these are the few things you must to know before this doing this question. So let's start with the question. So question number 1. The question are saying that log base 10A into my log base 10B plus log base 10A into my log base 10C plus log base 10B into my log base 10C is equal to 425, and ABC is equal to the 10 to the power 65. So we assuming that to simplify this to find in a simple way, we assuming that log base 10 is equal to the x, log base 10b is equal to y, log base 10c is equal to z. We are assuming that log base 10 is equal to x, 10b is equal to y, 10c is equal to z. So we put that the value of x, y, z in the, we assuming that this is our first equation and this is our second equation. So we put the value of x, y, z in the first equation. So we get to know that the x, y, log base 10 is x, log base 10b is y, x, y plus y, z plus zx is equal to 425. Hope you understand. And in this equation 2, the ABC is equal to the 10 to the power 65. So the given expression is the given expression. Again, ABC is equal to 1065, taking logarithm to the base 10 on the both sides. So we get log base 10 to the power ABC is equal to log base 10 to the power 65, taking logarithm to the base 10 on the both sides. So we get this. So we know that the log base 10 ABC and 1065 is, we know that the log base 10 to the power 10 is equal to 1. So we get log base 10 ABC is equal to 65. And we know that if the log base 10 is equal to a into my ABC, then we write as a log base 10A plus log base 10B plus log 10C is equal to 65. And we know that the log base 10A, log 10B plus log 10C, we are assuming that the value of 10A, 10B plus 10C is equal to x, y, z. So we put the equation x by z in this equation. So we get log base 10 is x, 10 b is y, plus z is equal to 65. Now we have equation x plus y plus z is equal to 65. We have xy plus yz plus z is equal to 425, and we get this both value to put up to form this formula. So we know that the formula is say that x plus y plus z का whole square. It means x plus y z is equal to 65. 65 का whole square is 5 5 20 4225. The whole square of 65 is, and x square plus y square plus z square. We don't know the value of x square, y square, 0. We find out the value of this by this equation, and we know that the xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 425. Is equal to 425. So 4225 is equal to x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 425 into my 8, मतलब 800, 825 to 850. So we know that the value of x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 3375. 4225 minus 850 is equal to 3375. So the expression that we are found out that log base 10a plus log 10b का whole square plus log 10bc का whole square is equals to 3. So we know that we get the whole value, because we are assuming that x square is equals to log base 10a का square, y square is equal to log 10b का whole square, log z square is equal to log 10c का whole square. So we know that the 3375. We putting the whole equation on this expression. 3375. The value of this is equal to the 3375 is equal to 1 by 3, and we know that the 3375 is the cube of the 15. So the 15 to the cube is equal to 3375. So 3 to 3 cancel. Our answer is 15. So the answer is B. So let's revise this question what we have done on this. So the question are saying that they find out the value of this expression. So we are assuming that log base 10a is equal to x, log 10b is equal to y, log 10c is equal to z. So we found out that the xy plus yz plus zz. So we put the value of xyz in the first expression. So we get to know about the xy plus yz plus zz is equal to 425. And the second equation is log taking log both sides. So we get 10 ABC is equals to 65, because log base 10 is equal to 1. So we found out the value of x plus y plus z. Here we found out the value of x, y, because the thing of ABC is multiply, we get the adding value, x plus y plus z is equals to 65. Then we find out the value of x plus y plus z is equals to 65, xy plus yz plus z is equals to 1, and put these values on this formula. So we get the answer, we get our answer.